Well, this looks amazing. I should 100% catch fish here. Oh, I thought I was on a rock. I had a smallie on. Okay, well, I feel very stupid. Oh, there we go. All right. Finally. We got a decent river smallie here. Sweet. I smoked it. There it is, you guys. Fish number one. Got the beautiful Cuyahoga behind me. Just decided today that I was gonna come out, explore a little bit. No real goals for the day. Just wanted to come out, catch some smallmouth. Last few times I've gone fishing, it's been for steelhead and I haven't caught anything. So really just wanted to get a fish on the board and that accomplished that. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy. We're supposed to get rain here in about 30-45 minutes. So I'm gonna put you guys away. Really just testing out the new GoPro, the new Polar Pro. So got that Polar Pro filter on there, testing this out, seeing what it's like. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the footage. I think from just looking at the screen, the color looks amazing. So we're gonna try and catch a few more fish, focus on GoPro footage, keep going. Alright, and we're out. Now we are boogieing back to the Jeep before we get absolutely drenched. Alrighty, I will catch you guys on the next upload. I'm trying to upload every other day now, so should be in a couple days. See you guys then. Peace.